Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, one needs to choose 6 real numbers x1, x2 up to x6 such that the product of any 5 of them is equal to the other number. The number of such choices is, since the product of any 5 of them is equal to the other number, so say x6 is equal to x1 into x2 into x3 into x4 into x5. Now also, it may also be possible that x5 is equal to x1 into x3 into x4 into x6. Now, if we replace the value, substitute the value of x6 over here from this equation, we'll get x1, x2, x3, x4 whole squared into x5. Thus, using this, it is possible that x5 is equal to 0 or x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to plus or minus 1. Now, let us assume first that xi cannot be equal to 0. Then all the xi's can be equal to plus minus 1. So therefore, we can have the following combinations: 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 1, or all are ones, all are positive ones. Again, we'll have 4 negative ones and 2 positive ones, or all negative ones. Now, this will have just one combination. This will also have again just one combination. This will have 6C2, that is equal to 15 combinations, and similarly this will also have 6C2 is equal to 15 combinations. So the total you get is 15 plus 15 plus 1 plus 1, which is 32. Now let us remove this assumption of ours. Then there may be one case where all may be 0. Now add 1 for this, and this becomes 33. So the number of such choices possible is option B, that is 33. The next question is, the rank of the matrix is, we can see that R3 is equal to R1 plus R2. So on doing the operation, R3 tends to R3 minus R1 minus R2. This will become 0, 0, 0 and 0. This row becomes all zeros. And say it might be possible that the fourth row is a combination of the first two rows. If this is possible, then this would also become 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, and we'll get the rank as 2. Now let's see whether this is possible or not. So let us multiply R1 by A and R2 by B, and let their addition be equal to the fourth row, that is R4. Then we'll get the following equations: A plus 5B is equal to 151, 2A plus 6B is equal to 262, 3A plus 7B is equal to 373, and 4A plus 8B is equal to 484. Now, when we solve these equations, we get A to be 101 and B to be equal to 10. So if we do R4 tends to R4 minus 101 R1 minus 10 R2, we'll get this rows to be 0 elements, all the elements of this row to be 0. So we are left with just 2 non-zero rows, and so the rank of the matrix is 2. So option B.